soon. Hopefully we won't have to be going to the local laundromat to do our laundry. But happy Sunday, or whichever day it is for you. And I guess I can call this another Vlogmas video since it's in December. But if you're new to my channel, I'm Shelby. Welcome, and I hope you enjoyed this random Sunday vlog. Let's get into it. First things first, we gotta get some coffee. Hey y'all. Okay, we went to Tim Hortons. We're gonna do a mini car mukbang. Here, you can hold this. Anthony's gonna join us, whether he wants to or not, but I asked him, so he said okay. We got these donuts here and a croissant. You're gonna show? Oh, what did you get? Oh, that's a creme brulee. They had a matcha. So here's the matcha coconut. Looks really good. And then we got a matcha croissant. So we're gonna try the donuts first. Let's try the donuts. Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
I didn't get my custard. Oh, I got this for the custard.
Not bad. It doesn't taste like matcha though. So I rate it like a 6 out of 10. Hey, save some for me.
I want some custard, but I didn't get any custard.
Anyways, guys, this one's 6 out of 10. It tastes good donut wise, but it's not matcha-y. And if you don't like coconut, you probably won't like it. Trade.
It's about the same.
What do you rate? Oh, the creme brulee's a 6?
Yeah. It's not bad, but the top sugar part is like pretty burnt tasting.
Yeah, it has the sugar on there. And it's like cream filled.
Custard filled.
Custard filled. I like it. But the donut is not giving. It's not giving good donut. So, yeah, 6 out of 10 too.
It's edible.
Yeah, it's edible, but it's not the bestest thing out there. Go with the honey cruller.
Awesome cream.
Yeah.
If you can, get the strawberry powder fill.
He always gets that one. Want more of this one? You okay?
Want more of this one?
I'm okay. You want this last bite?
No, you get this last bite. I got that last
Oh,
bite.
I don't want any more of this.
Not so bad.
Should we try this croissant or later? Nah, I
Yes.
don't really. Okay. We're gonna try the matcha croissant too. Let me show you. Interesting. Probably won't taste that much like matcha, but here it is. Cool. I'll put it on this tray.
Cleanse the palate.
Let me know if Anthony and I should do more car mukbangs. Let us know. Because this is our first... This is our first... Hey, why are you swearing on my channel? This is the first time we're doing this.
Me out.
I will. Okay, let's try.
You take the first bite.
I don't want this crispy.
I'll take the crispy.
Is it even filled?
Mm-hmm.
No. Not for me. I don't like the matcha croissant.
Not for me.
It's not matcha-y at all. I'm gonna rate the matcha croissant like a 4. I really hate when these places say it's matcha, but it's not matcha. I have very high matcha standards. It ain't matcha, but it's good. I also got myself a double-double. If you don't know what that is, for my Americans out there like me, double-double is basically 2 creams, 2 sugars. It's confusing at first when I moved to Canada, but now you know. If you want a double-double, actually it's pretty good. I like it, but yeah, it is creamy and a bit sugary, but it's kind of good. I just order it because it's cool to say.
I understand why I don't like the matcha because there's like hardly any matcha.
Yeah.
It's just the drizzle on the top.
What do you rate the matcha?
Matcha 4. Croissant overall like a 6 or 7.
Okay. That's it, y'all. That's it for the mukbang. That's our reviews. Now we're gonna get on with our day. We're probably gonna go downtown and like do random stuff. So I'll take you along with me. Bye.
Ah!
Y'all, I got these really cute earmuffs at this little market called the Welcome Market on Queen Street West. Look at it, they're so cute. I went earlier and they didn't have this color, and then the guy crocheted them and told me to come back, so I got them. They're really cute. I would recommend checking them out. I'll put their Instagram down below, but yeah, very, very cute. I'm obsessed. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. We did a lot of random shopping today. Oh wait, ambulance coming. 1 second. They got mad at you. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here. If I don't see y'all until the new year, I hope y'all have a wonderful new year and a happy holiday season. I hope to see you all again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.